Hello students, come back to our class. After the completion of the letter writing, we have the listening part in the page number 60. Okay, in the page number 60, we have the listening part. Here one bit is given, listening part. In the page number 60, children, everybody should see from the page number 60, listening part is given. So that means we should have to listen what the information, what the lesson has given, and we should have to answer to that questions. Okay, I am going to read here. Listen to the message. Okay, here one message is given. Listen to the message from space by Sunita Williams and answer the following questions. That means we have got one message from where? From the space. In the space by Sunita Williams. She is giving Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams. All you know, she is an astronaut. Okay, she is the astronaut Sunita Williams. Williams. Sunita Williams is an astronaut. She is in the space and giving the message to her. What the message is given is mentioned in this passage. So where is the passage, sir? Only questions are given here. Where is the passage? So if you want to read the passage, refer to the page number 143. That is 143 page number. From the last page. From the last side of the textbook, take the page number 143. Okay, children, take the page number 143. You will be having the lesson. Okay, unit 4 you have. What is that? The heading is given here. Message from space. We have got the lesson here. Message from the space. Now, message. Message means what here? Any message it may be. Giving the information. Information is. Message is nothing but the information given from space by whom? By Sunita Williams, by an astronaut. Okay, she is giving one message from the space. Okay, what the message is given here in the paragraph is given. See, Sunita Williams sent out warm wishes. She is sending the warm wishes. Warm is nothing but not hot. Hot wishes. Warm is nothing but loving. She is sending the wishes very lovingly. What are those wishes? She sent the warm wishes on the occasion of Diwali from the International Space Station. She is giving the message from where? She is giving the message from the International Space Station on which occasion? On Diwali. Diwali. Diwali is nothing but our festival. In our India, Hindus will celebrate. Okay, Hindus will celebrate the Deepavali festival. Diwali is nothing, Deepavali is nothing. Both of them are same. Understood? So she sent a message, warm wishes. She is wishing for the festival. On which occasion? On the occasion of Diwali. From where she is sending? She is sending from the International Space Station. Okay. Next, I just want to wish everybody in India and people of Indian origin around the world a happy Deepavali. Okay, happy Diwali. So, how she is wishing? Each and everybody in India and people of Indian origin. Origin is nothing but from our ancestors also. From our ancestors to from now onwards to our ancestors also. She is wishing around the world. How she is happy Diwali. Okay, it is a wonderful festival and I am happy we are part of it. We are part of it up here at the International Space Station. Okay, it is a wonderful festival. Everybody knows this. Diwali is the very wonderful festival. Yes, sir. So, she also taking a part for this festival from where? From International Space Station. Okay. I did bring a couple of things. That have to do with India from my father, particularly a peaceful home that says outside my crew quarters where I sleep and the Upanishads. Okay, Upanishads. See, she brought two things. I did bring a couple of things that had to do with India from my father, particularly a peaceful home. A peaceful home is given. So that she brought. And another one is Upanishads. Upanishads. Upanishad. So both she brought from home. Okay. Again one celebrate children. I did bring a couple of things. Two things she brought. Okay, that have to do with India. She is doing something to India from my father, particular piece of home that says outside my crew quarters where I sleep, and Upanishad. So I can read it while I am up. Okay, see, she brought two things. What are those? She brought Om and the Upanishad. So these are the books I think so. Okay, books I think she brought from the home to the International Space Station. When she get the free time, she used to read that Om and the Upanishad. So I can read it while I am up. It is a small version. Okay, it is a small version of the Upanishad, but it is definitely bring the wisdom to us while we are here and allow us to think of the true meaning of life. Okay, that means Sunita Williams is telling that she brought the Oms and the Upanishads from home to space. When she get the time, she used to read that one, and she used to explain the meaning. Okay, she used to explain the meaning of life. Why we have born, for what purpose we have born, and what we are doing after coming into the world. That are told in these Upanishads. Okay, heartfelt feeling for the work we are doing up. Okay, heartfelt feelings for the work we are doing up here, and how we are doing, and for our safe return back home. Okay, what she is telling, she is doing a very hard work, heartfelt feeling for the work she is doing. Okay, and how are doing and for safe. Okay, she is doing reading for what purpose? She is reading for this purpose. What purpose? She should be safe and come back to the home safely. Okay, that's why she is reading the Upanishad. So this is the message from the Sunita Williams from International Space Research. What message she has given? She is giving the message about the she is giving the warm wishes for the occasion of Deepavali for all the Indian Hindus. Okay, for all the Indians who are celebrating the Diwali festival. Okay, and she brought two things from home, Om and Upanishads. Okay, when she get the time, she used to read in the space. Okay, and she explained that what is the use by reading the Upanishads and Om. Okay, for her future. Now, after completion of the lesson, we have in the page number. Go to the last lesson. Go to the lesson where we have got listening. Where we have got listening bit. In that bit, in the page number 60, he had explained five. He has given the 5 question answers. What is the text about? Okay, what is the text about? The text is about what? Come on, children, tell me. What the message is given? Okay, what the text is given? What is the passage is telling? The passage is telling about the warm about the what is the text about is the question. Where was Sunita Williams went? She sent the message. Okay. Now, so first question, what is the text about? The text is about the warm wishes. Okay, the text is about the warm wishes on the occasion of Diwali. Where was Sunita Williams when she sent the message? When she was sending the message, she is in the International Space Station. On what occasion did she send the message? On what occasion? On which festival? On Diwali festival. Okay, what are the 2 things that Sunita received from her father? She received 2 things from father, Om and the Upanishad. This is the 4th answer. In what way did the Upanishad help Sunita? These Upanishads and Om is helpful to bring the wisdom to us while we are here and allowed to think of the true meaning of life. Okay, so what is the meaning of life? These 2 things are helping in the this about the wisdom and the true meaning of life. So children, in today's class I have explained about the a short text about the message from the space. Who sent this message? Sunita Williams sent this message. Read the passage twice and answer to the questions carefully. I have already explained the answers. You just refer the passage message from the space from the page number 143 and answer to the question. With this, I am ending my class, friends. Thank you.